This is my audiovisual essay on how the movie uses space and framing to show how a kid gets boxed in. Antoni is a Paris schoolboy, and it feels like every adult space he's in just gets tighter and meaner. My point is that the film shows adults and institutions slowly squeezing from the freedom out of its kids, then punishing them for reacting to that pressure. I'm gonna prove it through 4 moments: the apartment, the classroom, the police scene, and the beach ending. Slide 3, the apartment. When the movie is in the apartment, it always feels cramped, even if no one is yelling. The way he frames Antoni makes the room feel smaller than it is. He's boxed in by a door by frames, furniture, and people, and like the space is telling him to stay out of line. The blocking wise adults take up the space, and Tony gets pushed to the side, and like he doesn't even belong in his home. That matters because he is set up in the home film. Before he's ever in trouble, the movie already shows he has nowhere room to breathe, and home feels like pressure and not safety. The classroom feels like the same idea, but more official. The space is organized like control, the teacher is staged like power, and Antoni gets separated from everyone fast. The blocking makes it obvious who belongs and who doesn't, and once he is labeled, the camera makes him look like he's trapped inside of the room. It's not just punishment, it's isolation. The film is basically showing that the discipline here isn't about helping him, it's making him as the problem. The police station scene is where everything turns into school trouble and deciding what he is. The framing looks like he has small handled bars, windows, and hard angles, adults towering, and it's all power of framing the image. Even if the plot is he got caught, the bigger point is how fast he becomes in a case instead of a kid. The beach ending is one moment where the frame actually finally opens up. The beach has space, the wide horizon, and it looks like freedom. But then the freeze frame happens. It ruins the idea of the clean escape. For me, that's true for saying freedom isn't about the same as closure. And Tony reaches an open space, but he's still stuck in the story adults wrote for him. The movie literally stops him in midlife. Here's my conclusion slide, and it's so the movie isn't just about a kid who keeps messing up. It's a pattern of spaces getting tighter: home, school, police, and every one of them chooses control over understanding. And that's where the ending really hits. This is my works cited.